All right, so right here is a 20-foot unit that we just completed. And this one's a cool little unit. So we got a full light French entry door here. I got the nice big window. I'll take you to this side and then we'll loop back in to check out the actual interior. But just standard height container, one with black for the exterior, the wood accents. That's actually a rooftop deck that can be used as well. And then we'll pop on inside of it. You can check out the interior as well. So right when you walk in, this is essentially going to be the living room slash bedroom space. So it's a 20-foot container, 160 square feet, 8-foot width. So over here is where you'd either put a bed or maybe a sofa bed in that area. Across from it, just trying to capture your views, could put a TV over there as well. A little kitchenette here. So you got an induction stovetop, stainless steel sink, cabinetry, fridge goes over there. Hot water heaters in here. Went with an exposed electrical conduit throughout the interior to this unit. HVAC up here for heating and cooling. 5 light frosted entry door for the bathroom with toilet, vanity, mirror, you got your pendant lights. And then on this side, got a really nice big shower. Brushed nickel hardware, 4-foot shower pan, so a really comfortable sized bathroom. And just making your way right back out here. Some really nice windows to let some natural light in. And yeah, 20-foot container tiny home.